Welcome back, guys, to another episode of my Pretend Baking Show. If you're new here, my name is Sierra and I love sharing my insights with you guys. So if you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, that way you are the first to know when I will be uploading my next video. Alright, so in this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to line a sheet pan with parchment paper. No butter, no shortening, no cake release, just parchment paper. So the tools that you're going to need is parchment paper, scissors, and a sheet pan. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is get your pan and flip it upside down. Place it on the table. Step 2, grab your parchment paper, put it on your pan. All right, and then this is like the genius part. So you're gonna wanna line it up, center your pan with your parchment paper, okay? Grab your 2 pincher fingers, pinch the edges of each side. All right, so you're gonna pinch the edges, and now what you're gonna wanna do is flip your parchment paper over. Super easy, guys. You can do this literally in 2 minutes. So you're gonna fold right on that line, flip it around, fold it on the next line. And here is a pro tip. Can you see these edges right here? Make sure they're totally 100% lined up, okay? Now, this is the cool part too. When you flip this side, it's gonna be already lined up perfectly, and you're going to get a perfect rectangle. So you're folding it on the line that you guys made with your pinches, okay? Like that. The next step is super easy. So you're just going to grab your scissors and you're going to cut along this short edge. Can you come in closer? So you see this short edge right here? This is where you're going to want to cut, and you just grab your scissors, short edge. Grab your scissors, short edge. Flip it around. Grab your scissors, short edge. Grab your scissors, short edge, okay? All right, and finally, now that we got our parchment paper cut, we're just gonna flip our pan over, put the parchment in, and then the little tabs that you guys have right here, you will have tabs. These little tabs, you're just gonna stick them on the outside of this flap. So can you come in closer? This little tab goes on the outside, not the inside, the outside, okay? Not the inside, the outside. All right, and there you have it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. That is how I line my sheet cake pans, my square pans, with parchment paper. I don't use any butter, like I said. If you guys do use butter or anything else, leave it in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys use. Let me know if this helped you guys in any way. And thank you guys for watching.